here for 30 seconds. All right. So what we're gonna do is
yeah, so I'm done with that.
so I'm gonna do it just one part, and because it has all the chamfer foil in there.
I proceed to nail this. Oh, oh, cool. It's peachy, guys. So the color Nancy working on is number 20, peachy.
So you go randomly. It doesn't have to be exactly any patterns, and I'm gonna show you. We're gonna do some cool things with that.
You can actually leave that going too.
Looks cool, huh? You have a two option of this. If you want to do a foils veins on this, you can't. If you do not want to do it, you can do a gel painting. But this one I want to show you with the foils effects. So what we are going to do is no wipe top coat over the top of this. The reason it is because if you're doing another layer of the foil on it, you do not want it to be blotchy and it contaminate to the other colors. Top coat and cure for 60 seconds. Foil is 30 seconds. So make sure you do a top coat first before you draw any details, because or else it's gonna like have blotchies get into the other foil. So you want to completely cure with the top coat, so then it will stay nice and sharp and precise looks for your foil. So now we get it out. So it looks really good. If you don't want anything else, absolutely you can just like put crystal placement on or leave it alone. But we are going to create some cool veins between. I am picking like chamfer foil gels for my plates right here, using my twin tip brush, and then you can definitely sort and draw. So I am doing it between the colors. Want to make sure that you are getting enough gels, the premium iHold chamfer foil gel, so it will transfers nicely for you. All right, let's see. It's going to create this fun cool things for us. All right, let's cure for 30 seconds, and then you can do that colors again, or you can do yellows. Which one should you want to see? Which one you want to see? The more is gold or more is like Cabot Rose gold? This 24K gold, this is 18K gold. Just kidding. All right, so look at this one. So yellow gold. Okay, yellow gold. I got the right one. So you transfer. You don't worry because it only sticks on where you have your chamfer foil gel, because I top coated already. So it's not going to transfer that way it's not supposed to.
Nice and easy.
Super cool. In the different colors. You don't have to do it like really perfect, because it's not supposed to. It looks a natural looks in the different colors. Ta-da! If you don't want anything else, just put the top coat on and then you are good to go. I'm going to put the no wipe top coat on. All right. So So let's see.
You need.
One.
So we locate in Pensacola, Florida.
Two. Do you want any other smaller crystals? Or no, not at all. Do not do it. Or you want any beads by any chance at all or not at all? That's it.
Got plenty.
All right. So maybe I shouldn't do anything, huh? Because otherwise I'm going to cover everything.
Mm-hmm.
I think so. No. Oh, Pena said no more. That's it. Yes. No. Okay, good. No. Leave it alone. I love it. Okay, I'm going to kill this one for 60 seconds.